Hello, welcome to Tech Stack Labs startup. One morning, his CEO walked in and said, Roy, our next feature will use machine learning. Roy smiled, but inside his head, one thought kept repeating. What exactly is machine learning? In meetings, everyone used big words, models, training data, predictions. Roy nodded politely, but felt lost. He didn't want to sound technical. He just wanted to know one thing. How does machine learning actually help my product? That evening, Roy met his mentor, Mira. He asked, Can you explain machine learning without math? Mira smiled and said, Think of machine learning like teaching a child using examples. Mira explained. In normal software, we write rules. If user clicks A, show B. But in machine learning, we don't write rules. We give examples, and the system learns patterns on its own. Mira gave an example Roy understood instantly. Imagine your app recommends movies. Instead of coding rules for every user, you show the system what users watched, liked, and skipped. Over time, it learns. This user prefers action. That user likes romance. That's machine learning. Suddenly, Roy realized something important. His job wasn't to build the model. His job was to ask the right questions. What problem are we solving? What data do we have? How will success be measured? Machine learning was a tool, not magic. The next week, Roy walked into the meeting confident. He didn't say fancy words. He said, Our system will learn from user behavior and improve over time. For the first time, machine learning made sense. Machine learning isn't about algorithms. It's about learning from data to make better decisions. And for product managers like Roy, understanding why matters more than understanding how.